Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to enable full screen gesture on Vivo. If you are using Vivo phone and now you want to enable full screen gesture, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just look for system or system management option. Here's the system management, just tap on it and then select system navigation. And here you just have to select gesture navigation, just tap on it and it will be enabled. And after that you can easily use gesture navigation or full screen gesture on your phone. If you want to go back, you just have to pull to left or right sides of the screen. But if you want to go to home screen, just pull it up to go to your home screen. Now if you want to see your recent tabs, you just have to pull it up and press and hold. You will get your recent tabs. You just have to close apps. So that's how you can easily enable full screen gesture on your Vivo phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.